Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just made the most satisfying work I've ever done in crochet, and the project I'm talking about is of course the crocheted QR code. You probably saw it blowing up on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and I was terrified of trying it, but I had to try it. I can tell you it was the most challenging project I've ever done, not because the work itself was so complicated, more like the anticipation and not knowing if it's gonna work. But guess what? It actually worked. It actually scanned, it opened the link. It blew up on TikTok when I uploaded it. And I really want to share with you guys the secrets that helped me make it work. A little disclaimer, it's not working with all phones. I had friends coming over that had like Galaxy or Xiaomi phones. It works best with the 0.5 or 0.6 camera angle. And of course, there's always the chance that it's not gonna work. So I want you guys to brace yourself and embark on this journey with faith, but be prepared to the chance that it's not gonna work. Anyway, so if you want to learn how to make this crochet QR, keep on watching. First, you're gonna go into any website that provides you a QR link from URL. I recommend this website just because I found it the most comfortable. Just drop the link in the URL section and then click download. Then we're gonna move to another website, which is Stitch Fiddle. If you don't know Stitch Fiddle, it's a great website, a free website. I use it mainly for crochet tapestry because it's really good. So you're gonna go into Stitch Fiddle and then you're gonna make a new chart. Click crochet. Next, click crochet color work. In the yarn section, click no preference and then from picture. Then you're going to choose the QR code that we just made from the website. You're going to change the color option to 2 and change the size to anywhere between 30 and 38, I think. You're going to have to play with it a little bit because not all QR codes are the same. As you can see, mine worked with 36, and the way you're gonna know it works, and please pay attention because this stage is very critical to the process and the success of the project. You're gonna have to take out your camera right now and scan the QR code that's on the screen right now. It's only when the QR code works and sends you to the link that you want to get, then you're going to hit Save Chart. Then you're gonna get your chart with the columns and numbers and everything. You're gonna click Download Chart and change the pages to 1 page instead of 2, and then click Apply. Now we're gonna go to the fun part, which is the crocheting part. For the foundation chain, we're going to take the number of columns in the template chart and double it, because the main thing you have to remember about crocheting a QR code is that we're going to make 2 double crochet for each pixel. This is in order to give it the more of a rectangular look. We're gonna make a slip knot and start chaining the number of chains that we have to make for this project. So for example, I in my chart have 36 columns, so I'm going to make 72 chains for the foundation chain. This is how our foundation chain looks when we've crocheted 72 chains. It's double the number of chains that we have to make for the template. And what we're gonna do next is put a stitch marker on the last chain we made and add 3 more chains. This is going to be our turning chain. And now we're going to crochet our first row of double crochet. I always prefer to do it in the back bumps, but you can do it also into the chain itself. Just going to make a double crochet all the way till the end of the row. And this is 2 double crochet, meaning this is 1 pixel. Once we finished the first row, so now I recommend flipping the picture with any editing program. It really helps to make the second row like this. So now we're gonna make our first double crochet of the second row. And I use the method of making 1 single crochet with no chain 1 for turning and going into the left loop yarn over into the loop, and yarn over into both of the loops. And this counts as our first double crochet. Now, because we have 1 pixel of white, like we can see in the picture in the template, we yarn over and do another double crochet, because as I said in the beginning, 2 double crochet are 1 pixel in the template. Now we're going to switch colors for the first time. So I'm gonna grab my black yarn, make a slip knot with the black yarn, that's my favorite technique to change colors in the beginning. So I'm putting the loop on the hook and changing the working yarn to the black one. Now we can pull the white yarn and it's secured. Now we're moving on to the next stitch. I'm going to use the black yarn to make how many? 7 pixels. 7 pixels means 14 stitches. So we're going to do 14 stitches with black. Of course, this is just my template. You're gonna make as many as you need for your template. I just want to make it clear that 1 pixel in the template is 2 double crochet, meaning any number you have of black or white pixels will be doubled in the actual project. I have made 13 black double crochet, and now I'm going to make the last one, which we're going to not finish because I want to change color. So before the last yarn over, I'm gonna grab the white yarn and change the working yarn. And now, according to my template, I'm going to make 2 more pixels in white, which means 4 pixels, which means 4 stitches in white. Don't forget to take the black yarn or the not working yarn with you. Now I'm getting to the 4th double crochet, and now I'm going to change color. You understand the gig. Now I'm going to make 4 more double crochet in black. And this is how it's gonna go. 2 double crochet for each pixel. Flip the picture when you need it because it helps to perceive the template better. When you're done crocheting 30-something rows of double crochet, you're gonna have your QR code ready. If you followed all the steps right, there's no reason it's not going to work. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and it helped you and you really wanted to know how to crochet this QR, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me grow and make more videos. And if you crochet this QR, please tag me. My socials are up right now. I really enjoy seeing other people create my stuff, so please tag me and let me know. Happy crocheting and see you next time!